In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email template in Mailchimp. We'll build a reusable email template you can drop into future campaigns, keeping your branding consistent and saving you time. Start on your Mailchimp dashboard and look for the main navigation. Click on campaigns. This is where you manage everything related to your marketing sends, and it's the quickest path to the template tools you'll need. Inside the campaigns area, find and click on email templates. Templates are the building blocks for your emails. Instead of designing from scratch each time, you set up a polished layout once and reuse it whenever you create a new campaign. Now browse the available options and choose a starting point you like, then click. Create template. You'll typically see simple layouts with rows, more design themes, and any templates you've already saved. If you want maximum flexibility, pick a clean, basic layout. If you prefer a head start on design, select a themed option that matches your style. Either way, you're just choosing a foundation. You can change almost everything later. With the template open, edit it to your liking. Replace the placeholder logo with your own, set your brand colors, and choose fonts that are easy to read. Use the design or style panel to adjust headings, body text, link colors, and button styles so your emails feel on brand from top to bottom. Work through the content blocks one by one. Update headlines to be clear and compelling. Write concise body copy and set buttons with action-oriented text that links to the right pages. Keep images optimized and consistent. Large files slow loading, so aim for web-friendly sizes. Add alt text to images for accessibility and better clarity if images don't load. Structure matters, so keep sections focused and scannable. Break up long paragraphs, add spacing where needed, and ensure your footer includes the essential details and unsubscribed links your audience expects. Use preview and mobile views to confirm your layout looks great on phones, since many readers will open your emails on a small screen. When you're happy with the design and content, click Save and Exit. Give your template a clear descriptive name so you can find it later. You'll see it listed in your email templates library, ready to use whenever you create a campaign. From now on, instead of rebuilding your emails, you'll select this template, plug in fresh content, and send with confidence. That's all it takes to create a Mailchimp email template that's clean, consistent, and ready for repeat use.